How to change your TikTok For You page. If there are tons of TikTok appearing on your For You page and you don't want to see most of these contents, then you can do a couple of settings to change that. Now before I show you, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more informative videos similar to this. Now in order to change your TikTok For You page, from the home screen of your TikTok, you can tap on the profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Tap on settings. Now in settings, if you scroll down, you will be able to see an option of content preferences. If you tap on that, now here you'll be able to add in the keywords of the particular topic that you want to see on TikTok. So for example, if you tap on this and tap on add keyword, you'll be able to add in keywords. For example, I'm going to add in sports. You can only type a single keyword at a time. Now you'll need to tap on For You and tap on save on the top right. Now the sports keyword has been added. If you want to add more, you can tap on add keyword and add in more. Now after you do that, gradually TikTok will start to show you more of sport content on TikTok. Now the other thing that you can also do is you can tap on this language option. In the preferred language option, you can select a couple of languages in order to change the TikTok that you are seeing. So if you go ahead and check these boxes, and you can tap on done on the top right. Now what this will do is it will start to show you TikToks from these countries or regions. Now the last thing that you can do is if you like one content over the other, you can start to like those content. And if you don't want to see a certain kind of content, you can tap on hold on the screen and tap on not interested. After you do these steps, your TikTok For You page will start to change gradually and the process would not be immediate. So make sure you give it a few days and you will start to see the changes. So that's going to be all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.